Hi everyone, this is Bhatma Priya. I'm going to discuss the topic about operating systems. Under this subject, I'm going to explain the concept about overview and process management. In this topic, I'm going to explain what is process concept. Before that, let me take a recall for what we have seen in the last session. What is operating system? What is a program? And what is multitasking? So these are all the things we have seen in the last session. Before that, after that, the process concepts, the topics which we are going to discuss in this session is process concept, process states, process control block, and process scheduling. So process concept means it's inspired by real life activities where multiple tasks are handled simultaneously. If we move one thing from here and there means that is also kind of activity. That activity is called as a process. So here if we create a process and for doing the thing, after that that particular process is ready to execute. And if while running the process, is there any need of input output devices that comes to the waiting, and once it's completed the executing, it's terminated. This is the process concept. And why process concepts matters in our digital world means it supports multitasking and efficient CPU utilization, better system responsiveness. These are all the things. Uh, these are all the things tell about the importance of the process concepts. And this is the process states diagram. So here a process is a program in execution. Each process has its own states. We already shown about the process states, and it can be managed by OS. It's nothing but operating systems. So new process can admitted to the ready state. The admitted process uh, can scheduled by OS, and a scheduler dispatch the particular process it's going to run, and after complete the running process, it's terminated. These are all the states comes under the process concepts. And DT defines process states: due, ready, running, waiting, and terminated. And the process control block here means process stores process information, process ID, state, CPU registers, memory information. Process stores process information means a process can execute a CPU can execute a particular process while it needs some input output devices while executing the process. The process can be held by CPU. That particular state can be stored in process control block, that is stores process information. Each process can have the unique ID, that is process ID. And what is the state of the process, either it is new, ready, running, or terminated. What is the status of the particular process is defined in state. And CPU registers, it is a temporary memory storage which is presented in the CPU. And memory information, what is the thing we have to need for a particular process, that is memory information. Decides which process gets CPU. N number of process is going to be in the ready queue means which process can execute by the CPU. So we have to select which process is going to execute and improve CPU utilization. Whilst we are selected the process to executing in the CPU, that must not be spoil the utilization of the particular CPU. So ensures it is fairness. That CPU scheduling algorithm means first come first serve, shortest job first, priority scheduling, and round robin. This is the CPU scheduling algorithms. And application in real world, multitasking OS, time sharing systems, mobile and desktop systems. These are all the applications in real world. And let's summarize the concept. Process concept defines execution, means nothing but the execution, the process that can be executed in the CPU, that is process concept. The PSB can store the process details in each and every state of the process. And CPU scheduling manages CPU time, means each process can have the particular time for executing in the CPU. That is scheduling manages CPU time. So if many processors are ready, how does OS choose one? This is the scheduling algorithms. So thank you.